Good morning Nana, how are you all? And I hope you all are good and I welcome you to our physics class. This is our class number 2. And in this lecture I want to introduce the chapter waves. What are waves? Write the definition in your notebook. The disturbance of the medium from equilibrium position which carries the energy from one place to another place without transfer of the matter. Here the disturbance may be in the form of displacement. The disturbance may be in the form of displacement of the particles or the change in density, or the change in pressure, or the change in electric waves, or the change in magnetic waves. Here, for example, I consider the displacement of the particles, and this is the mean position of the particles I have. This is the mean position of the particles. Okay, here if I disturb one of the particle, if I disturb one of the particle of the system, what happens? It makes to and fro motions or upward downward directional motion, which is nothing but the oscillations. What happens? This particle do oscillations about its equilibrium position. This is the equilibrium position and this is the displacement. This is the displacement of this particle. And this particle displaces from its main position and it disturbs the another particle. And this particle disturbs the next one and this particle disturbs the next particle. And here the disturbance is carried from one end to another. Okay, and this disturbance, here the disturbance is carried. And this disturbance carries the energy. This disturbance carries the energy from one place to the another place. Okay, you just look after the definition once again. The disturbance of the medium from equilibrium position, right? Mean position is nothing but the equilibrium position, which carries the energy. This disturbance carries the energy from one place to another place without transfer of matter. Here the matter is not transferring from one place to another place. Here this disturbance, the disturbance or the energy is transferred from one place to another place. Not the matter, not the particles of the matter. Okay, and in our next class, I am going to discuss the topics types of waves, transverse and longitudinal waves, and the displacement relation. In our simple harmonic motion chapter, in our inter first year simple harmonic motion chapter, we had already derived the displacement relation for a particle from its mean position. So that you just go through the chapter before entering into our next class. So you will answer. So that you will answer to my questions and you will be able to understand this displacement relation what I am going to derive in our next class. Okay Nana? Bye.